Stablecoin replace failing fiat? Tether's BTC buys. OKX Brazil push in spotlight. OKX. Stablecoin. Tether. Author. Hongji Feng. Author. Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a reporter who covers crypto, finance, and tech. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at HTX. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Dollar-pegged stablecoins are moving from trading tools to retail products in economies facing inflation and weak currencies. 2 recent incidents frame the shift. Tether continues allocating a share of profits into Bitcoin, while OKX introduced a high-yield stablecoin wallet and card in Brazil that converts reais to dollar tokens. Together, these moves present stablecoins as everyday finance rather than a niche hedge. Tether's policy links USDT growth with a balance sheet Bitcoin position, while OKX's product pairs dollar access with yield and card rails. The combination places dollar tokens directly in consumer workflows where households weigh currency risk, savings options, and payment convenience. Dollar access, local strain, and policy trade-offs. Tether's ongoing BTC allocation sits alongside expanding USDT issuance, which connects dollar liquidity to crypto rails that operate continuously. That mix can draw demand where local savings tools lose purchasing power, and it can also raise questions about how quickly retail flows migrate toward dollar proxies when domestic rates and exchange controls shift. OKX's Brazil rollout adds a wallet and card that pays interest on in-app dollar balances and settles purchases through standard networks. The design lowers friction for converting reais to stablecoins and spending those balances. As households test these tools, authorities will assess how tokenized dollars interact with deposit bases, on-ramp rules, and disclosure standards. Dollar tokens can improve payment access and remittances, yet they may also deepen dollarization and push liquidity outside banks if adoption scales. Supervisory clarity on reserves, redemption, reporting frequency, and cross-border use will shape whether these services complement or substitute local finance. Market structure, liquidity effects, and issuer obligations. A larger base of retail dollar balances near exchanges can support settlement across BTC and ETH pairs and smooth funding around headline windows. If stablecoin supply expands in a controlled way with reliable redemption, depth tends to recover faster after shocks, while fragmented disclosures or complex backing can amplify stress when redemptions rise. When yield is offered, issuers should expand transparency with plain language reserve breakdowns, regular independent checks, and clear explanations of asset and liability shifts so users can judge durability under stress. Returns should link to identifiable sources, since gaps between promised rates and underlying cash flows strain liquidity during volatility and can trigger rapid policy responses during redemptions. Card programs, payout partners, and custodians must apply consistent sanction screening and travel rule controls, while maintaining continuous redemptions during outages. Foreign issuer recognition should be public and ongoing rather than a single registration, so users and intermediaries can verify which tokens remain under active supervision. The questions that decide stablecoin durability. Household behavior will show whether stablecoins become a lasting dollar channel or a cyclical substitute. If users prioritize fully reserved, redeemable tokens with frequent reporting, the category can be embedded in routine payments and savings. If adoption concentrates on products with limited transparency, shocks can spill into sudden exits that test settlement pipes. Regulation will ultimately guide the pace. Clear rules on reserves, accounting treatment, and global operations can reduce uncertainty for treasurers, exchanges, and payment partners. As Brazil and other large markets review yield features and card programs, consistent rules will determine whether tokenized dollars support inclusion without eroding monetary control or bank stability. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Bitcoin price prediction. First major BTC treasury just sold big. Is the bull market officially finished? XRP price prediction. XRP ranked number 2 by analysts, just behind Bitcoin, ahead of Solana and Dogex price prediction. Ripple just opened spot trading in the US. Is institutional demand about to explode? Price analysis. Dogecoin price prediction. Elon Musk set to launch Doge to the literal moon. Could this be the $1 catalyst? 1 day ago, by Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Aster by the end of 2025. 3 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Whale activity surges. Is ADA targeting $10? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Top 12 crypto presales to watch in November 2025. 6 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 5 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 3 days ago, by Ben Beto.